Hey guys, good morning. Um, I don't know, I've been sitting and observing him or her for quite a long time. And by the time I got my camera out, there is a transition happening between pots. Well, that's not why I'm capturing this. This for quite some time, something came to my head. Notice a snail or a turtle, okay? They move very slowly, and generally the answer is because they carry their home on their back. And when I was thinking of that, compared to the ant which is running so fast, imagine the load it's carrying. Better be cautious, better take some time to do what it's doing, right? So here is a message which I thought I should share with all of you, particularly if you're a key caregiver or working with special needs. Life clearly tells us you're not the only one. You're carrying something much more heavier on you. So time to slow down. Definitely time to slow down and still ensure to reach your destination. Maybe the hare and tortoise story is for people like us, where you go with your nature's flow. And ouch, let me try to remove this. Yeah, where did we leave? Yeah, so when nature itself is telling us not everything has to be, each of us are unique in our own way. So saying that, signing off, this is Ramya, simply at home, saying find your I don't know, a lot of people talk about this totem, animal spirit and all. Maybe ours is not to be this ant, or at least mine is not supposed to be an ant. Probably be a snail. Thanks for coming upstairs, my dear friend. And quite an insightful start of the day. Good day, guys. Bye.